everyone, welcome to Ohio Northern University. We are so excited that you guys are joining the Polar Bear family. We could not be happier that you are here with us, and we can't wait to see you all on campus when we are able. I am going to walk you through how to take your ONU ID photos and explain what you should do with them from there. To take your picture, you will need to activate grid line settings for your camera, which will cause a faint grid to appear on your camera screen. Please center your face with your nose placed in the center box and your ears aligning just outside the middle box. Here are a few guidelines for your picture. Please make sure the photo is taken within the last 6 months with a plain white background and in the vertical orientation with your entire face directly facing the camera. And make sure the picture is in color and free of any added filters or other alterations. Please do not wear a hat or head covering unless it is worn for religious purposes. You should not wear sunglasses in your photograph, do not wear headphones, wireless hands-free devices, or anything similar in your photograph. If you normally wear a hearing device or something similar, that is permitted.